We found an ant's nest. There's only one way to be sure. Just prod everything with a stick. I know. Oh god, they're really pissed now. Oh, there's all the maggots and stuff.
Maggots.
Look at them.
They're all down there as well, mate.
Yeah.
A little bit of mess down there.
No.
Just think, start climbing out your shoes. Next thing you know, they're all at your legs and...
You got a bloody mozzie? Just one. Fuck off, you. I'll kill you with fire. They're pissed. A little happy frog. Here's the size comparison. My finger to this little frog. And now we go, bouncy frog. Poke. Poke. It's fun to poke nature. Poke. 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 I might keep it. It's adorable. Say hello, Mr. Frog. Look at this big boy. We thought the dragonfly was big, but the spider's even bigger. This is the size comparison. Here's a stick. Oh goddamn. He's not scared. Oh Jesus. Now you, oh god, he's eating it. Jim is the stick technician.
How do you get first wrap?
Oh god. You realise our tent's just over there, he's gonna do us tonight. Alright, we failed at raccoon hunting yesterday. All we did is find a cat, which is now actually underneath our porch. I'll show you later. But, is he still there?
No, he's just pulled off to the right.
Oh, did he? We found a really big ant. We've been trying to block it with leaves. Success! Run! Oh, where'd you go? Poke it. No, don't step on it. Poke it with a stick. Poke nature with a stick. Yeah, poke it with a stick. Yes. Yes. Humans are superior. Yeah, you can't hide under that leaf. So we were just sat here minding our own business, and all of a sudden, a little spider decides to crawl across the table. So I bought this at Walmart, and it's supposed to keep insects away. There's currently a spider underneath it, so it's doing his job pretty well at the moment. If I lift it up, you might be able to see him. Yup.
He fucking jumped.
He jumps. Shit. Get.
He was not staying under there for any longer.
No, he was. He's pissed. Where'd he go? Okay. The coon, the raccoon, is literally on the other side of that wood bit. And I'm gonna document this shit. Okay, let's see if I can make it run out. Raccoon, get out! Get out, you coon! Where's he gone? Could have spray underneath. Get out! Can you hear it?
No.
I think I heard it. It sounds pissed.
Yeah, he went under, didn't he?
Oh yeah. No, he went under.
Yeah, there's him there.
Yeah. There's a raccoon under your car. I'd stay in your car if you're afraid. Yeah, there he is. Got him! Yeah!
He ain't gonna have no problem going down.
No.
Grab some leaves because that wood ain't never gonna go.
We're doing the bottom right here. It's diesel fuel.
Diesel fuel.
Flammable, but
Oh, yeah, it's gonna...
Yeah, once it's warmer, it'll start going
Got
up.
a bit of paper here.
Yo! Nice. Beautiful.
Thank you very much. Put you enough wood on there, let it kind of dry up. But you got over there probably halfway damp, you know. Dry up there on you, burn for a long time. Think y'all have all them coons up here. Y'all have to walk.
Nice.
The stuff burns slow, but it burns good, you know?
Yeah. Is this the awkward moment where we swap really weird campfire stories? Jamie, poke it with fire. If you see a red little light, that's it. It lasted 5 minutes. I've been feeding him jerky. He's nearly trained. I call him Racky the Coon. If you say his name real fast, he's called Raccoon. Boy's hungry. So Jimmy, you got a stick? There's some sticks here.